Hey there, Kiddie Club superstars. Are you ready for another awesome adventure with the letters? Today, we have letter H. Let's jump right in and uncover all the happy and heroic things the letter H has to offer. First, let's trace the letter H together. Big capital H. Let's trace the second letter H. Big capital H. And now, let's trace the third letter H. Big capital H. Awesome! You're all doing fantastic. Now, let's trace the lowercase h together. Small h. Let's trace the second lowercase h. Small h. And finally, let's trace the third lowercase h. Small h. You're rocking it, friends. Now, time for some fun. Let's look for the letter H in the egg and circle it. Great job! You found the H. Let's circle it and move ahead. All right, now let's discover some exciting H words to increase our vocabulary. H is for hat. Can you say hat with me? Hat. H is for helicopter. Let's all shout helicopter. Helicopter. H is for hamburger. Say hamburger with me. Hamburger. Look at that house. H is for house. Let's say it together. House. And here's a horse. Can you say horse with me? Horse. Wow, you all did an amazing job. We had so much fun with the letter H today. Let's give a big wave to the letter H and shout, "See you next time, letter H." Fantastic work, Kiddie Club. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep having fun. Goodbye, everyone.